Hello everyone, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can enter recovery mode in OPPO Find X7. So first, before we start, make sure you turn off your device first. And now, if you want to go into recovery mode, simply hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Now release the power button Now hold the volume down button. As you can see, now we are in the recovery mode. Here we can format data, reboot our device, or power off the device. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.